So Viking Cruises is kind of known as being a luxury river cruise line. They're a river cruise line with really small ships, but in 2022 they're actually going to do something exciting coming to the United States. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Tyler, and if you like cruise vlogs, cruise ship tours, and cruise news, please consider subscribing with the notifications bell on. So like I said in the intro, Viking Cruise Line is a very small but luxurious cruise line. They're really small of a cruise line, and they're kind of really just known for their river cruises in Europe with, I think they have 2 cruise ships. And in 2022, they're going to be doing something very cool in the United States. So some of you may have heard that Viking's brand new ship launching in 2022 is called the Viking Mississippi. The reason for that name is because she will be sailing the Mississippi River. Now, why this is really cool is because normal cruise ships really can't go up the Mississippi due to the size. The furthest they really can go is the bridge in New Orleans, but Viking is making it so that their cruise ship can go underneath the bridge and sail the Mississippi. Now, a problem I think the ship's going to have, but I think they're going to register this in the United States. So I'll be the first cruise ship to be registered in the United States by Viking, and the second cruise ship ever to be registered in the United States by a major cruise line. Again, this is due to the Passenger Vessel Service Act, which prohibits ships to sail all just United States ports. That's why you'll never see a cruise leaving Baltimore and heading to Port Canaveral and back. That's why they have to have a stop at the Bahamas due to the Passenger Vessel Service Act. But anyway, back to the point. These itineraries look absolutely incredible, and they truly do look awesome. I would love to sail them, but their prices are a little expensive. Again, I really do want to do these one day. Their ship looks absolutely incredible. The Viking Mississippi is truly going to bring the luxury you all know from Viking and bring it to rivers of the Mississippi. It's going to be truly incredible when she comes out. And if you thought Viking was done with just announcing the Mississippi cruise ship, they're not. They're actually announcing a brand new style of cruising to the Antarctica, the Great Lakes in Michigan, on a brand new style of Viking cruise ship. This is part of their expedition line. And again, nobody does Great Lakes cruises, so it would be awesome, really cool to do that kind of cruising. I would really love to go do that one day. But that's gonna wrap us for this episode of cruising discussion video. But guys, let me know down below in the comments below if you ever sailed a Viking, what's your thoughts on it, and if you want excited and you ever want to try a Viking, let me know your thoughts on Viking Mississippi. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next video.